Hey everyone, welcome back to Moto Travel, the channel where it's all about motorbike, travel and adventure. If you have one of these and you want to mount it on one of these, well, there are so many options. You can mount your GoPro camera pretty much anywhere on your helmet. You can put it on top, on the side, on the front. Some people even put it slightly below. For my day-to-day travels, I mount the camera on the side of the helmet. This is the case for my Sony, and I like the fact that it's out of the way and I have really good control of managing the camera. On the other hand, when I go a little bit more in the rough stuff and I do a little bit more off-roading, this is not the ideal solution. Anyone doing a little bit of off-roading knows to get the most out of the video, it's best to mount the camera right in front of your face. There are plenty of homemade solutions out there to mount the camera right on the chin guard of your helmet. But I found something what looks really promising. A lot of riders end up having a homemade solution for their problem. But I found a company called PROSHOT, and they're specializing on mounts for motocross helmet. I got myself this one here called the Proshotcam mount system from PROSHOT. They only have one in different colors. I put the link for the company on the bottom. So I bought that myself and I had to import it from America because there's no distribution here in England. However, I think it looks really great. It's a flexible bracket and you mount your GoPro on the front, and all you have to do is mount it to your motorbike helmet with some quick lock and the job is done. When you look at the unit, it's actually pretty simple. It's made out of a really strong plastic material and it got plenty of flex in it, so you don't have to worry that it snaps away. With the help of the Allen key, it is pretty easy to change the whole mounting system over to something else or change it over when it's broke. So it is pretty simple to fix this to your helmet. All you have to do is use the quick lock tape who come with it and stick it on your helmet like that, and then you tuck it to it and the job is done. As you know yourself, dealing with plastic and adhesive, it's always a great idea to warm the surface up and the material so it doesn't snap in cold weather. The heat gun I use is maybe not ideal for it, and if you're not used to it, you have to be really careful because these heat guns are for stripping paint, so they get really hot. One thing I have to say straight away, when you mount it, you have to follow the line of your helmet. So you may be inclined to mount it on an angle like that, but that is completely wrong. You actually feel how much more pliable that is now because it's warm, so it has definitely more give in it. Stick it down your helmet and let it set. Watch this. Clip that on here. Make sure it's milled out. And clip that on here. And we're done. So there you have it, a perfect solution to mount your GoPro camera to the helmet. Not exactly discreet because it's quite a substantial bracket, but if you are off-roader or you really enjoy riding to the rough on your motorbike, I think that's a great solution. Oh, and before I forget, if you use the media connection kit for the GoPro, it's ideal just to stick it on with some tape, double-sided tape or a rubber band or whatever you want to do. I mean, there's plenty of options to do so. If you decide it is a permanent solution, to be honest, I would just take all that tape stuff off and just mount it directly to the helmet with one or two little bolts from the inside. Why not? You know, it's always better to fix stuff permanently, but if you are like me and just use it once in a while, that quick lock stuff from 3M, I think, is absolutely perfect. Right everyone, this was a pretty easy install. That's it for the day. I hope you enjoyed the video. I put a link to the manufacturer's website in the comment section below. Until next time everyone, ride safe.